What's up, guys? This is Will of Will's Gadgets and More, back with another video. So today we're taking a look at the TouchElex smartwatch. Now this was sent out to me by the company TouchElex, so a big shout out to them for sending this over for a review. This is from their Harley series of watches, and you can pick this up on Amazon.com. Right now the price is $44.99. I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. They're also offering a 20% discount coupon that you can apply as well. Now, as you guys see, this is going to come in a few different colors. You got a green, looks like a pink, and a black. I will drop the link so you can go over and choose which one that you want to pick up. So some of the key features and details of this. This has a 1.75-inch full touchscreen display. Resolution on it is 320 by 385 TFT display. This has a aluminum alloy frame. Now this has 14 different sports modes, such as running, hiking, basketball, indoor cycling, etc. This is going to be able to measure your blood oxygen levels. This has a 24/7 heart rate monitor. This is 3 ATM waterproof. You can track your sleep monitoring, music control, weather. You can set alarms, timers, stopwatch. This has a flashlight. This will remind you of your water and sedentary reminders. This also has women health. You can use this as a remote photography control as well. And the list goes on and on. You can also see your notifications for calls and messaging. This features a 220 milliamp battery. That's going to last you from 7 to 10 days, 30 days standby, and it's going to take you about an hour and a half to charge this. So those are a few of the key features and details. Let's go ahead and jump into the box and check it out. All right, guys, so here's the packaging. As you guys see, very nice packaging here. I love when a company takes the extra time to put a little detail in their packaging. It's just the 3 different colors there, like I showed earlier, Harley series, and then on the back, it's not much there. Let's go ahead, crack this baby open, get this plastic off of it here. All right. This should be a pretty nice watch for the price, man. It's not bad. $44 and some change for all those features. This is going to be great. So let's see how we get in this. I think it just slides out the top. All right, so there it is. Almost lost control there, guys. So here is the watch. And straight off the bat, man, this thing feels great. So let's put it over to the side and see what else we got there. We got in here, I should say. So you're going to have your user's menu here that you can go in and check out everything that you need to know about the watch. We're going to get into the settings on the watch here in a minute. This does use a app as well, the TouchElex app. I'm going to load that up as well. So here's your charger. So it's going to be a proprietary charger right here, and it's going to hook up on the back just like this. That's how you're going to charge it, just like that. And that's all you get in the box, man. So let's put this over to the side. So here's the watch. Please charge to activate the watch. That's what it says on there. We're going to get that sticker off, and here it is. So aluminum frame, very nice. Has a nice rubbery band here that feels really good, man. So here it is here. Then on the back of it, let's see what it says here. Harley smartwatch. It's going to give you the model number, and then you're going to have your sensors and everything there. And the band size is a 22 millimeter. It looks like that, guys. So this is it. You're going to have 2 buttons on the side here. Let's go ahead and see if it has any power. There it is. It's going to do the boot up. So I'm going to go ahead and download the app. We'll come back and take a look at the watch. All right, guys, so we're back in. I have the TouchElex app loaded up here. Very easy to do. Scan the barcode that was on the watch when we first got it out of the box. Follow the simple instructions and you will be good to go. It will pair with your phone and walk you through setting up a little account. and you do it. So this is the watch face that comes on it right out of the box. As you guys see, it has the date and the day of the week. Very nice watch face here. You can add other ones. Scroll to your left, you're going to get to your scroll to your right, you're going to get your weather forecast for the location you're at. As you swipe up on the weather, it's going to give you a few more days of forecast as well. Swipe over one more time. This is going to be your sleep monitoring. You can see all of the information you need about how you slept. I haven't slept with it yet. The next one is going to be your music control, which works great. So this is playing through this app, Muso Music Player. Now I can skip tracks. I can control the volume here. You guys see the volume over here. I can bring it up. And I can pause it. So this app, that works great on the watch as well. Then the next over is going to be your heart rate monitor here. Then next over is going to be your activity record. Now I haven't did any kind of walking or any activities, so that is blank. The top button will take you home as well. Also, the top button will take you into all of the things that you have on your watch, such as workout records, your water intake, all these stuff here. You can go in and see it like this. Then you do have your settings. So within your settings, you're going to be able to go into your screen settings. And this is where you can change your wallpapers here. One place. You can do it on your app as well. This is one that I downloaded. I kind of like that one, so going to set that one. Also in there, you can set your screen timeout as well. It was on 5 seconds out of the box, so I changed it to 20 seconds. That's the highest you can get. You got night mode in here, do not disturb, raise to wake, intensity, adjust stream brightness. So right now, my brightness is on 60%, and that's adequate enough for me. System settings and about watch. So you press that, it'll take you home. And then this bottom button, this is where you can go in and start a workout. All your workout programs are in here. And you can go ahead and if you wanted to start an indoor run, I have a treadmill. Just go in and start it. It's going to give me a timer and all of that stuff in there as well. Let's go ahead, give me a walk down on it. And then I'll start, and it's going to keep up with my heart rate, pace, everything on the calories burned and everything. So very nice. I'm going to close that out. So that is the watch. So let's take a look at the app real quick. So when you first get into the app, this is what you're going to have. It's going to have tell you which watch you're using, the Harley series, your steps. It's going to show you all your steps you're taking, your workout record, sleep information there, heart rate, SO2, calories, and all of that. You can edit these cards, put them just like you want them. Next is going to be your workout stream. You can go for your outdoor running, outdoor walking, cycling. You can set your goals, how long you want to do it for, an hour, 2 hours, whatever. And then it'll give you that information there. This is GPS, so it's going to keep up with you like that. The next screen over, this is going to be for your devices. Now you can have more than one device here. It's showing just my Harley, but if I wanted to, I could add another one. These are all of the watch faces. Now it comes with a bunch of watch faces here that you can choose from. And if I'm not mistaken, I think you can use your own photo or something like that. I'm going to double check on that. You got your incoming calls. You can toggle that on or off. Music control. You can turn that on or off. You got your message notifications in here. You can decide which app you want to have notifications from, which ones you don't. Next, you're going to have your water reminder, activity reminders. You can set alarms, heart rate monitoring, remote control for your photography. You got quick replies in here. So in the quick replies, you're going to have something like, "What's up? Let me get back to you. Can I call you later? Sorry, I can't talk right now." You're also going to have more device settings. You can set your weather region, women's health, tilt to wake stream, over the air upgrade, device languages. You can set that. And then you got your user's guide. And then the last page over, this is going to be your personal center here. If I clicked on this, it will tell you my height, my weight, my date of birth. You can set your goals. You can see your messages, frequently asked questions, feedback, troubleshooting, and settings. So in settings, you're going to have your account setting, language settings, measurements. You can set this for different, whatever you want to set it for. And then you got your location settings as well. So that is pretty much the app and the phone. Very, very robust. A lot of things you can control. Let me put it on my wrist and let you guys see what it looked like. Okay guys, so we're back in. Here's the watch on my wrist. The colors look great. It's vibrant enough. I can turn the brightness up a little bit more if I want. Feels very comfortable. As you guys see, I'm pretty far in on the band, and I have like a 7¼ inch wrist, and it feels very light. As you guys see, very easy to see, and just feels great, man. Not too big, feels great. It's going to be comfortable to wear. So yeah, man, this is going to be great. Has a great display, a lot of things you can do with this, a great price on it. Going to have excellent battery life, and I think this is one that I would highly recommend. So this is the TouchElex Harley series smartwatch that's capable of doing a lot of things, guys. I'm Will. This is Will's Gadgets and More. I'm out.